What what is what are you doing when you're doing window shopping?
Dog is by the window. Like window shopping.
What 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 is what are you doing when you're doing window shopping?
Oh, you're window shopping?
Yeah.
You just look at the items. You just look at the stuff. But you don't buy. You want a window shop? How about there's another one? Let's consider shoplifting. Shoplifting is bad.
Yeah.
It's like you're stealing. It's stealing items in the store. But window shopping is good
Yeah.
because you just look and you will say, do I need this? No. Do I need that? Yes. Kaya ano nahitabo? Cory.
What did they do?
He's fixing, Kuya is fixing his slipper. Because he is driving the tricycle. He's been so tired. So tired.
Why is he so tired?
Because he's been driving the tricycle since this morning.
Oh.
Didi kami kuya hakuan sawang.
Sawang.
Oh, ano.
Tingnan din.
Sawang punong. Punong ba ito sa punong. Oray naman din in Holy Child.
Ginko na ini.
Oh, ginpalayas na hira. Ginpaiwas na hira. Ang bago nga tag-iya. Ayan nan imo una ngayon nga adlaw. Kakano ka gintanggal ha, Bikiri?
Kaya 30.
Wala agad daw. Pero pamati ko. Nitro, I think there's no classes. Because the road is so quiet. But let's just go there. I will be able to find out if there is a class. Dinhi. Wait a minute. May I? Wait. Just sit here, okay? Sit here. I will ask. Sit here. Anay, papalingkod madali ila. Ano holiday ngayon yan?
Kuan. Sanang Karigara po.
Ah, holiday ng Karigara. Uy, ano nga ran?
Ini tawag to executive order kanang Teachers Day celebration.
Ah, okay. Sige. Bukas may dana.
May po.
Ah, sige. Oh, Nitro, no classes. I thought we will go back home. Kaya mabalik na lang kami. Kaya pa? Gikakapoy ka na ano. Sige, diri na lang. Pamimili. Ah, ano? Ah, sige, kay mabiyahe ka mang gihapon. Ma-tricycle ka mang gihapon.
You was right.
Yeah. No classes. Because for Karigara, because of Teacher's Day.